What is going on, Toyota fans? This is Andrew from 4Runner Customs. Today we're back with another 4th Gen 4Runner video. Today we're going to go over how to change the cabin air filter on your 2003 to 2009 Toyota 4Runner. Let's jump right into the installation. Now the first thing you want to do is open your glove box on the passenger side. Now the cabin air filter is right behind the glove box, so we have to go over how to drop the glove box itself. All you're going to need is a Phillips head screwdriver. You're going to remove this one screw that's on the right hand side. Now this project is super easy, and this is the only screw that you will be removing during the whole video. After that, put the screw somewhere safe because you don't want to lose it. Pull back to detach the glove box arm. Now you need to pop out the two pegs that hold the glove box in. This can be achieved just by pulling back on each side. Now the one on the left is a little bit more difficult and might use a little bit of force, but it just pops out just like that. At this point, your glove box should be hanging down very low, and if you look up under the gap in between the box and the dash, you can see your cabin air filter. To remove the filter, you just need to pull straight back on the tabs on both of the sides of the filter. You don't actually have to squeeze them, just pull towards you. Once that thing is loose, pull all the way out, and you can see that is your old cabin air filter. Now, mine looks really bad. There's a bunch of leaves and debris in it, and that is the reason we're replacing it. So here I am pulling to the side. This is a mesh filter held in by plastic tabs, so it's very easy to take out. Now let's grab our new filter and install it the same way as the old one. As you can see, these little white lines are running horizontally across it, as well as the flaps are going vertical. So I have to work the top sides in because they're a little bit more rigid, but these sides are super easy. I just have to kind of tuck them under the plastic tabs with my thumbs, and it should be good to go. And just like that, we have our new cabin air filter ready to be reinstalled. So to put it back in, it's very simple. You basically just do the opposite of taking it out, and then you push it all the way in, wait to hear the click, and you are good. Resecuring the glove box is the last thing you want to worry about before you're pretty much done with the installation, and the only real thing there is make sure that the black tabs are back behind the dash like they were before you took them out. As you can see in the video, this is what it should look like. After they are popped back in place, you can move on to the arm and the screw. Again, super easy, just fasten it back. You don't have to do it too tight, just snug, and you are done with your cabin air filter installation. If you're looking to upgrade your 4Runner or earlier Toyota and make it stand out, please check out our website, 4runnercustoms.com, link in description. Thanks.